If you want to learn this twerk choreo, stick around, I've got you. Today is the first day of our 5-day twerk challenge in which we are going to learn this whole choreo. Every day we're just going to focus on a part of the choreo, and then the last day, day 5, we're going to do the whole shebang. My name is LiliJasmijn and I'm going to be teaching you how to twerk. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is your moment. This is your chance to make sure that you do not miss out on any videos after this. Let's start with the first move we are doing, or the only move we're doing today actually on day 1 of our 5-day challenge, is a whine while going down. You don't have to go all the way down like you saw me do in the choreo. Absolutely fine. You can just go till here. Let's start with a whine. Place your hands on your hips. Even if you've done this before, it never hurts to practice. Place your hands on your hips, and then we're going from side to back to side to neutral. We're not gonna push all the way to the front because that looks quite strange. So we're going side, back, side, neutral. I invite you to try both sides. You can try to make it fluid, try to circle and see which side is easier for you. From now on, you can just do that because I know everyone has a preference. I know I do. My preference is going to from left to right. If you also have a preference, this is your moment to find out, and feel free to do that side. I'm not very fuzzy when it comes to my choreos. You can just whine whichever side you want to whine to. But let's try from side to back to side to middle to side to back to side to middle. Let me turn around so you can see. Side to back to side to middle. Side to back to side to middle. Side to back to side to middle. To back to side to middle. You can try the other side. Absolutely free, but most of the time, one side really feels like writing with your left hand. Then, in the choreo, the start will be 2 times 8, which is going to be 8 whines all the way. We'll first do 8 whines without doing anything else than just whining up top here, what we just did, just to practice, and then we'll try to play with the levels. So let's go. We are facing wherever we want to face. You can face me and look at me. I'll just stay like this so you can see. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, as you can see, I'm also using my legs just a tiny little bit, just to make the movement a little bit bigger. You can stretch out on the side that you push your hip to, and then do the other way. Ta, 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 ta. Yes. Now, what you can either do is, while you whine, you can go till here, so you can place your hands on your knees in the 8 whines that you have, or you can go all the way down, which means you have to have your legs a little bit closer than hip distance apart. Make sure that when you try and sit like this, your heels are just touching. You don't want them too wide because do not want that. So make sure that your heels just are touching just about, because you don't want them too close either. It will fuck with your balance. Then, when you bring your hip up, your first hip, so that's either the right or the left side, you close your legs, and then you open again when you go to the other side. So close, close and open, close and open, close and open. Let me show you like this. We're sitting like this. We close and open. Close and open, close and open. Yes, so that's only the last part, the last few of your whines. The first few are gonna be up here. So you slowly wanna go down. Don't go down too fast because you'll have to do more on the floor, which will kill your quads. So try and go slow. Let's try and do 8 whines. Go to as far down as you're comfortable with, so that can either be here or all the way down with me. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're halfway. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, you did it. That was day 1 of our 5-day twerk challenge. I hope to see you back for day 2. Bye.